How to get free rewards from Temu. Let's get started. Open your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the bottom you will see the option of view. Tap on it. Now over here you're gonna find different options. Go to the option settings. Open the option country and region. Now here you're gonna find different country options. You have to select the option of United States. After you set it to United States, you can hit back. Now go to this option on credit and free gift. Over here you're gonna find different options. You can select the very first option, 5 free gift. Open it. Now you are able to pick up to 10 free gifts by inviting your friends. Firstly, you can pick the gift. All you have to do is tap on the item that you are interested in to get as a gift. Select the details of the gift and then tap on the option of pick the gift. I just picked my first gift. By applying the same process, I'm able to pick other gift as well. You can pick up to 10 gift, but for now I'm just gonna pick 2 gift. After you are done, tap on confirm. Now you have to fill this. You have to add a shipping address. Firstly, select country or region and then type in first name, street address, apartment, zip code, city, state, phone number, and then check in for this option. I agree to terms and condition and then tap on the option of save. Now tap on confirm address, and with that you will land to this page. In order to get all the items that you have selected for free, you have to invite your friends. So tap on this option of invite friends to get free gift. Different options will pop up. Now you can use this social media platform to invite your friends to Temu. You can use Messenger, Facebook, WhatsApp, copy link, or use the referral code and invite friends to Temu, and with that you will get the reward from Temu. So this is how you can easily get free rewards from Temu. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.